So we want to compare these two numbers to know which is greater. We have 729 over 64 all to the power of 7 versus 4 over 9 all to the power of minus 21. But then this 729 can be written as 27 to the power of 2 all over, and 64 can be written as 8 to the power of 2 all to the power of 7. Versus we have 4, which can be written as 2 to the power of 2 all over 9, which can be written as 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of minus 21. But recall, when you have a to the power of c all over b to the power of c, this is the same as a over b all to the power of c. So applying this rule here, we have 27 over 8 all to the power of 2 all to the power of 7. And from here we have 2 over 3 all to the power of 2 all to the power of minus 21. But also remember, when we have a to the power of b further raised to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b times c. So we'll be multiplying this. We'll have 27 over 8 all to the power of 2 times 7. And we have 2 over 3 all to the power of 2 times minus 21. So this will give us 27 over 8 all to the power of 14. And this will be 2 over 3 all to the power of... But then we can reduce this 27 to be written as 3 to the power of 2 all over, and 8 to be written as 3 to the power of 3, and 8 to be written as 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of 14. And we have 2 over 3 all to the power of minus 42. So this will give us 3 over 2 all to the power of 3 all to the power of 14. We have 2 over 3 all to the power of minus 42. So we'll be multiplying this. We have 3 over 2 all to the power of 42. And we have 2 over 3 all to the power of minus 42. But recall, if a over b all to the power of minus k, this is the same as b over a all to the power of k. So applying this rule on here, we have 3 over 2 all to the power of 42. We then have 3 over 2 all to the power of 42. Hence, 3 over 2 thus